Go.
That was a stupid.
Take it out and do it again.
Yeah.
Push it in there.